Jira Bug Tracking Tool Tutorial 2025 Track and Fix Bugs. Now, pretty much a beginner-friendly guide to using Jira as a robust bug tracking tool this year. So covering setup, workflow, reporting, and the best practices. So you're gonna have to use your work email to sign up. So if you already have signed up, you can always log in, but it's expected that you haven't yet, so you can sign up with either Google or Microsoft. So the first thing you can go ahead and do is to set up a bug tracking project right after you have signed up. You're gonna have to go ahead and create an account first. But once you pretty much have done that, you can set up a bug tracking project. Now, most of the information on how to do this should be directly already in the website. And go ahead and learn more there. You can see the boards and timeline reports and how it actually works. Most of the features will be taught on how to use them. You can go to your projects, create project, choose the bug tracking template under the software development, and you can name it whatever you want. That's basically the basic thing you can first do in Jira. There you can create and configure bug issue type. So navigate to the project settings, issue types, and ensure you have a bug type with custom fields like severity, environment, steps to reproduce, and attachments. So use type issues, so screen scheme to apply it to your project whenever you have it. You can design a bug-centric workflow and log bugs with complete details. Again, you can see more information on how to actually use this more efficiently and more clearly in Jira. You can visualize with the Kanban board, prioritize effectively, and collaborate and resolve. So you can comment on bugs, tag teammates if you have other people with you. You can have a team, link related issues, your suggestions when work is done or bugs are closed, and keep an activity log for a full audit trail for your entire team, or you can just go ahead and do it solo if that's the case you're in. You can monitor with reports and dashboards, but those are basically the main features you have for Jira. There are a lot more you can do, but if you want to go ahead and learn more, you can always go ahead and go to the website directly. So it's free. Go ahead and try it out. And if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.